At the end of the last lesson, we finished with these two D's in our left hand, one with the pinky, one with the thumb, and from there we're going to go to two G's, again with the pinky and the thumb. So we'll start this lesson with the last notes of the previous lesson, these two D's, and then we're going to go to the two G's here. Now when we play these two G's with the left hand, we're going to play two D's with the right hand, also with the thumb and pinky. So from this G, it's not the next D up, which is here, it's a whole octave after that, here. That's where the thumb goes and the pinky goes on the one octave higher. Okay, so we have two G's, two D's. Now the right hand, from these two D's, is going to go to two C sharps, back to two D's, to two D sharps, back to two D's. So it's, and then to the two C sharps again. So after we do D, C sharp, D, D sharp, D, C sharp, now we do something similar, D, D sharp, D, C sharp. So it's, and this time we go up instead of down, and then we come to A sharp, A. So again, D, C sharp, D, D sharp, D, C sharp, D, D sharp, D, C sharp, A sharp, A. And while we're doing that, the left hand starts on a G, and then goes to two D's, back to the two G's, and then to two F sharps. So again, from the very beginning, those two D's, and a little faster. And then the right hand is going to go to two G's, while the left hand goes to a C with finger 5, or the pinky. Okay, so far we have now let's just focus on the left hand a moment. The left hand is going to go C, D, D sharp, G with fingers 5, 4, 3, 2. So C, D, D sharp, G, and then to A sharp with the thumb or finger 1, and then A with the thumb again. So we have C, D, D sharp, G, A sharp, A, and then G, A with fingers 2 and 1. So finger 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. Notice how the thumb slides from the A sharp down to the A. C, D, D sharp, G, A sharp, A, G, A. And fingers 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. And the left hand is going to play that twice. The first time the left hand plays that whole part, the right hand is simply going to be holding down two G's, like this. The second time, the right hand is going to be a little busier. It's going to be the two G's in the right hand while we play the C and D, and then the right hand will move to two A's when we play that D sharp. So we're going to start with the two G's while we play the C to the D, and then the right hand's going to go to two A's while we play the D sharp and then the G. So we have the two G's to the A's when we play the D sharp, and then when we play the A sharp in the left hand, the right hand's going to play two A sharps as well. So, and then when we slide the thumb down to the A here in the left hand, the right hand's going to play two A's as well. And then when we play the next G in the left hand, the right hand's going to jump up to a D sharp. And the A plays in the left hand while we're holding that D sharp. And then the right hand is going to play two Ds while the left hand goes to a G. So again, we have from the first one, let's do it from the beginning of the part. Now let's add some pedal in. I'm going to say the word pedal when I'm pressing down the pedal. Pedal, 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 pedal on that last chord there. Let me do it one more time with the pedal. This time I won't say anything. Finally, let's do it from the beginning of the song up through what we learned this lesson. And one more time, a little quicker.